Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to use VLOOKUP formula in MS Excel. We have this data in a vertical table and we have different set of products like mobile, tablet, laptop, and here we have serial number, and in this column we have quantity, and this last column we have price for each product. And suppose if we want to look price for a product mobile, then how we can look? We need to come to this column and we will look for mobile, and again we will go to this column price and we'll check the price and we'll type this. And for example, let's say we need to get the price of product laptop. So similarly we need to come to this table and we need to look for the price and we can type it like this. But in order to achieve this automatically, we can use VLOOKUP formula. We need to press equals, we need to type VLOOKUP. This formula starts with lookup value. Lookup value will be the same which we are looking. So we need to click on this column. We need to press comma and we need to select the table, which table we are looking. So we'll select the whole table and it's asking for column index. Now which column we are looking to get the price, so we can count. This is first column, this is second, third and fourth. So we need to type 4 and we need to give true or false. So we are doing this for exact match, so we'll press the number 0. 0 stands for exact match. We'll close the bracket and hit enter. See, we are getting the price for the mobile. Now, if we want to get the price for tablet, so hit enter. We are getting the price for tablet. So let's take another example. Here we want to fetch the price for adapter. So in this column, we'll come and we'll type the formula VLOOKUP. So lookup value. Lookup value will be the same as we want to look for adapter, comma. It's asking for the table, so we'll select the whole table, and now it's asking for the column index. So column index will be the same 4, comma 0 for the exact match. Close the formula, hit enter. We are getting. Now suppose we are fetching the results for 5 quantities, and if we want to calculate the total for this, we need to type a formula equals. We'll select this column and hit enter. See, we are getting this. But in this example, suppose if anyone does not want to type it manually over and again, so here what we can do, we can use data validation. We need to click on this column and we will go to data tab and we need to select data validation. In data validation we need to select list. Click for the resource we are getting. See, it's asking for the resource, so in resource we need to select the whole number of products. Click OK. See, here we are getting the drop down. Now we don't need to type it over and again, so we just simply need to select the products from this drop down menu. So again for price we need to type in the formula for VLOOKUP. So lookup value will be the same as we need to click here, comma, complete table, comma, and column index will be 4, comma 0 for the exact match. Close the formula, hit enter. Again, number of units, suppose this time we need to fetch the results for 7 units, and total, for total you need to type in formula equals, select this star and select, hit enter. See how easily we can apply VLOOKUP formula. In this video you have learned for VLOOKUP, and I hope you have liked this video. And if you like this video, do like my video and subscribe my channel.